Alright, so I have the word color here. C-O-L-O-R. And we're going to color the letters each with something different. Okay?
Color.
So I have a crayon, a marker, and a glue stick. So you have to choose what to color the C with. Okay? Which of those three things can you use to color? That's a good choice. You can color the C with a blue marker. If you can get the lid off. Very nice.
Why?
Good job. Good job coloring with the marker. Okay. What else can we color with? Okay. How about the O? No, we can't color with a glue stick. I don't think that's a good choice.
Oh.
Yes, we can color with a crayon. That's a good choice. Good. And color it all in. Okay, so now we have to color in the L.
Like it.
And we have a blue crayon, a pair of scissors, and a marker. Green marker. What can we color in the L with?
L.
Good. Can you color it all the way in? So what else can we use to color with? How about the O?
O.
Yeah, what else can we use? Oh, good. Yes, we can use the blue crayon to color with.
Blue.
Good choice.
Blue.
How about the scissors? Can we use the scissors?
Blue.
Blue. You want the blue marker or the blue crayon?
Got it.
You want to color in with the blue marker. That's a good
You want it?
Good coloring. You knew to use a marker to color in the
Color.
R. Right? We can use a marker, we can use the green marker, we can use the blue crayon, or the orange crayon, but we can't use the glue or the scissors to color with. Those aren't good choices. There, you got the cap back on. Ta-da! Nice work. Thank you.
What?
Some of the things that we have here. Okay? You can choose what you want to color the circle with.
Circle.
That's a good choice, using paint.
Ear.
Maybe get some more paint on your brush.
Okay, but
There you go. That's a good color.
square.
Yeah, let's do the square.
Go. Start.
So we're done with the paint. What can you color the square with? That was one choice.
Square.
The marker is a good choice to color in the square. Well, you just made a square.
Square.
Can you color it?
Triangle.
Yeah. You chose the blue marker to color the triangle with. Okay, we have to cut out the parts along the lines and paste them onto the guide onto the next page. You knew to pick the scissors. That's a good choice. good choosing these scissors.
The
Okay, now we have to find something else to cut with. What else can you cut with?
strawberry.
It is a strawberry, but we have to cut the rest of the
A
page.
strawberry.
And you can choose from these things here. I don't think we can cut with glue. That's not a very good choice. Cut out the parts along the line and paste them onto the guide onto the next page.
And
You are getting really good at pasting. That's a good choice. Oh. You chose scissors.
cut.
Yes, you use scissors to cut with. Very good. Good choice. You saved your pen before it fell.
What? A color.
You cut these 4 strawberry pieces earlier today, and now we have to paste them in here. So we have the glue and crayons and scissors and tape and stickers and markers. What do we use?
Strawberry.
Yeah, what do we use to put the strawberry pieces on here to paste them? Well, you're going to paint it instead, huh?
Wet.
So you did a good job painting the strawberry. How about these puzzle pieces, though? We have to put these on there, right? So they make the puzzle. That's right. But now we have to give them to stick. See, they still move around. The paint doesn't stick, so we need something to make it pasted.
Keep my.
What do you think we can use to paste the puzzle pieces? We need to make them stick.
The very hungry caterpillar closed the book.
No, see, this moves. We have to make it stick. Here, I'll show you one, okay? We can use glue stick. Glue stick will make it stick.
It makes it.
That's a good choice. So then I'll put it on here. See? And then it's pasted. We pasted it there. What else can we use? Why don't you do one with the glue stick? That's good. Is that still moving around? Here, I think you need some more. Put it all over. Keep going all over. There you go.
And the walls be.
Hey, sit on a chair, please. See, this you have to press it. To press it down. When you use the glue, you have to press it down. Okay? Good job. Now what else can we use besides glue stick to paste the puzzle pieces? That's a good choice.
Coal?
Yeah. We can use that glue. Right? So glue will make it stick. What else can you use to make it stick?
Carrot.
What else can you use
No.
to make it stick on the page? The glue, yeah.
Glue.
What else though? You have crayons and scissors and markers and tape.
Tape.
That's a good choice. I think the tape will work so you can make it stick.
Name. Cool. And name. Pop.
did it. That was good. Try again. Whoa! Here, why don't you, hey, sit on the chair. You missed, but what else could you use to knock that over? Of these things here, what else could you use? That's a good choice. You can try the football. No, we're not going to use the bird.
Red bird.
You missed it with the bird. You have to use something else.
Red bird.
Try it with the football. That's a good choice. You did it! You used the football to knock it over. That was a good choice. Good job.
Can I talk?
Now you have to knock those down. Ping pong ball's a good choice for knocking things down. Oh, good job. First try. That was a great choice. Here, wait. Go sit over there again. Sit in the chair. I'll build it again real quick and you can try again.
Of one kind and another bird without
Alright, you used the...
bird with,
What else can you use?
bird without eating that.
That's very good. You used the beanbag to knock it down. Excellent choice. Yeah, I don't think that the towel or the paper airplane or the card would have knocked those down. You made the right choice.
Where noses are cream.
There's more than one way to do it.